Hey guys, this is Steve Brown doing a movie review, the second one and the final one for our physics class. And I reviewed the Fukushima 50 and just finished watching that film. It was extremely informative, actually very good. Just to go over a few things here about the film, roughly just to kind of give an overview here. We have the film Fukushima 50. It is a recollection of the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant incident, and this was caused by an earthquake that also resulted in a tsunami on March 11th of 2011. The tsunami hit the nuclear plant, causing a malfunction to the electrical system, which caused the cooling systems to fail. And then between March 11th and March 15th, there were 3 other explosions from the reactor buildings of 1, 3, and 4. On March 15th, the non-essential workers were told to leave, and as the conditions worsened, a total of about 750 workers had left completely, which left the remaining Fukushima 50 to be on site. And according to this movie, it seems that they were left there to continue the process of monitoring the leftover reactor that was also building up pressure, which, if that one had exploded, that would have caused a disaster that would have been double of Chernobyl. I believe that's what they referenced. On a better note, though, while they were the 50 were evacuated to come to the seismic, I believe, the monitoring building. When they went to return to finish monitoring the issue, the pressure in the reactor somehow went down, and still unknown as to how it actually resolved itself and the issue. Going forward here, at the next question here that we have is to kind of go over the physics that was in the movie. And right now, the tsunami knocked out the electricity, causing SBOs, or station blackouts. That event caused the cooling systems to fail, which the cooling system relies on the electricity, which is those rods that go into the reactor to start cooling everything down. This resulted in the core meltdowns that occurred again in units 1, 3, and 4, and each explosion was a hydrogen explosion. In terms of unethical elements in this film, personally, to me, when I watched it, I felt that the only unethical moment, again, to me, is when the representative from their company was coming out of the building and was being bombarded by reporters and microphones wanting a comment as to what was happening or what was going to take place. And it looks as if my apologies, I may have had that switched around here. The unethical moment is when the representative from the company wanted the team to wait or hold off on the venting process. If the team would have waited, it would have resulted in a major meltdown and travesty. Now, in regards to the politicization, I didn't feel as if there was much politicization, only because the Prime Minister went to the site and the monitoring building to personally advise during the issue. And the incident didn't seem like it was being used for any kind of political gain in any sort. And as for recommending this movie, I would highly recommend this movie. Not only is it just informative, and it's a great, it's a great telling of the story, not a great story itself, but it's very eye-opening in how we disregard Mother Nature. Just because we're prepared for emergencies doesn't mean that a natural disaster can't come out of nowhere or out of left field and completely wipe out whatever protocols you have in place. So if you're looking for a good movie to get some education about, again, nuclear travesties, I would highly recommend it. Thank you very much.